I'm Orchid Loubser, one of the founders and COO of CoreToken. I'm going to talk to you about what is CoreToken. Now, many of you have looked at our website and have thought, wow, so much information. It's very hard to explain in a technical manner, but you know what? When you explain it, it's actually quite easy. So let's start off by just talking about waste. Now, waste, first of all, when you imagine waste, it's huge landfills, it's plastic, it's garbage, it's pictures of the ocean and animals and all kinds of things. And this is really, really, it hits us in the heart, and it's really not such nice things to look at. But waste does not end there. It's about resources, it's about data, and it's also about time, which is one of the most valuable things apart from this planet, which we actually have. Now, this can be seen as a problem, or it can be seen as a resource. Now, exactly how does this go into a resource? Now, circular economy, it's a very big subject to get into, but let's not go into it. Let me just tell you, it's made up of resource, manufacturing, or services, or whatever, depending on the industry, and then you have the product or the services which you offer, or however the industry is applied to it. And then it goes actually back to, after the product has served its life, it becomes waste. Now, if you look at waste as a resource, then it closes the circular economy. And that is exactly what CoreToken is about, is creating a circular economy, but using artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence, you have self-driving cars, you have transportation, you have automation in businesses and industries, all these types of things. It's a huge field to cover. But utilizing the CoreToken platform with blockchain as a backend, it actually simplifies everything, every industry. Now, we are a digital world as it is already. We have internet banking, we have e-commerce, we have so many digitized things around us already. But our biggest challenge is how the data is managed. If you imagine when in the past we had an analog signal to watch TV, that analog signal converted into digital to actually have a better quality picture, faster data transmitting, all these types of things. And you needed a little box. Now, this is exactly what CoreToken is. CoreToken is this little box. It means you can plug an analog signal and you can convert it into a digital signal. And that is what CoreToken with its own blockchain has accomplished. So CoreToken is not only there to help you enter this digital world, it's actually there for you to optimize your business or yourself or your industry or your data, as a matter of fact. It is really a very valuable platform for you to operate within. So many people ask us, why do an ICO? Firstly, I would like to make it very clear. Our CoreToken team has gone and developed most of the platform already. And what we've done is we've also selected some use cases, and we've built these use cases to be integrated into our little box or platform, as we like to call it, to make sure that it can run in a digital environment. That means we've digitally made a barter trading environment, whether it's a service, a product, or data which you are offering. It does not matter. Everything can be digitized. Core Token's platform allows you to profit from the growth of the network. That means every single use case that we currently have and every additional use case we get, we can grow the network. That means we can grow the demand of the token, which means in turn growth in value of the token for you as a token holder. But apart from this, we adapt the principles of a circular economy, which encourages industries to design out waste. And that means you don't just participate in the growth of your own value, but you participate in the growth of the value of our planet, which is one of the most important things, if you think about it, for the future of the next generations to come. Now, we're not here to say to you or to preach to you what to do. But what we can say at Core Token is we are passionate about what we do. And we are passionate about our planet. Now, we as a community can actually make a difference and save our planet for future generations to come. Not only in a livable environment, but also in a digital environment.